Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Wix business email. First, open any preferred browser and search for wix.com. After signing into your Wix account, you will be redirected to the Wix homepage. Here, you will need to select the website you want to set up the business email for. Once you select your target website, the dashboard web page will appear on your screen. On the left side menu, you'll find the Customers and Leads feature. Click on that and select Business Email from the submenu options. This is where you can start setting up your professional business email powered by Wix. But before you begin, make sure you own a domain name for your website. If you don't have one yet, Wix can help you purchase one. To set up the email, just click on the Let's Start button. You'll then be prompted to select the domain you want to use for your business email address. After selecting the domain, type in the prefix you want for your email like info or support. Click on the Continue button. The pricing options for the business email will then be displayed on your screen. Wix offers different plans based on your needs. Simply continue to the next step, select your preferred plan, and confirm the transaction to complete the setup process. Once everything is set up, you can start using your new Wix business email right away. It will be fully integrated with your Wix website and account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.